Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. So happy you're here. So fun to dance, smile, move, have fun. So we're going to learn a fun one today called Ride On, Ride Out. And it's only 24 counts, and it's 4 walls. And I think you're really going to enjoy it. So please click subscribe, thumbs up, and any comments or questions that you have, I'd love to hear from you. So we're going to start with weight on left, with our right foot. And the first 8, we do 4 heels, but you could also make them little kicks if you want. So that's optional. So you can do heel, 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 or you can do kick, 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 kick. Both are fine. Here in our region, we do the heels. So we're going to do heel, 2, 3, 4. Then we step forward 2 steps, but we kneel down a little bit. Down, down. So it's a step together. So right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, right, left. Then we stand up and do knee and a knee. I'll show you from the side. So remember, you can do little kicks or heels. So we start with 4 of those. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go down 5, 6, 5 and 6, 7. No, hello. Let me just do the steps first. So heel, 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 step, step, come up, knee and a knee. Good? One more time. Remember, we're going to be facing the front wall. So 4 heels or kicks. Heel, 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 low, low, knee, knee, and a heel split. You can call it a heel split, or I've also heard it called a pigeon toe. So heel split is probably what I'll call it, or I may call it both. So let's try that one more time, and then I'll do it facing the correct wall. So heel and heel and heel and heel and low, low, up, up, split. Okay, now we'll do it facing the correct wall. So we start with our right foot and do heel. So heel and heel and heel and heel. Low step together. Raise up right knee, left knee, split it. Okay. One more time, and then we'll try it with counts. So heel and heel and heel and heel and low, low, up, up, split it. Okay, one more time. Heel and heel and heel and heel and step together, up, up, split it. Got it? Now we'll try it with counts. So ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. From the top with counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and and it's pretty fast. So let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 and 3 and 4 and low, low, knee, knee, split it. Okay, so we'll move on. Just know it's pretty fast, so you might want to practice that step a couple more times. So after we do our heel split, we drag it to the right and heel split again. Drag it to the left, or slide. There we go. Slide, split, slide, split. So we just did the last heel split after the knee, knee, split, slide, split, left, split. Okay, let's put that together from the top. We're going to start with our heels or little kicks. Ready? And heel and heel and heel and heel and low, low, knee, knee, split it, slide, split it, slide, split it. Then variation again. You can do 4 walks back. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4. But we found in our area that it's easier to do the walk, walk, rock, step. Then your right foot's really ready for the next part. So let's try it from the slide, split, walk, walk, rock, back. Okay, so we just did our knee and split it. Slide, split it, walk, walk, rock, step. One more time. You got it. You got it. So we just did our knee, heel, split. Then we go to the right and a split, left and a heel split, and 2 walks and a rock. So right, split it, left, split it, walk, walk, rock, and. Good. Then, oh my gosh, 2 grapevines. Yay, yay. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch. Good. The last part, after the 2 grapevines, is easy again. It's 4 walks and a variation. So let's start it from our slide, heel split, slide, heel split, walk, walk, rock, and grapevine, grapevine, walk, 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 walk. And let's see, the grapevines are real fast. They're syncopated. So I'll show you the timing after. Let's start with our slide, heel split. Ready? And to the right, slide, split, back, back, rock, and the pace or the speed or the counts on the grapevine are and count, so it's syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then the 4 walks are full counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the variation, so there's no variation on the grapevines. There's a variation on the walks. So in our region, we do 4 walks with turning the time, taking that time to turn, a quarter turn over our left shoulder to the 9 o'clock wall. So we do slide, heel split, walk, walk, rock, and syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. The option or the variation that you will see is 3 walks forward and a turn on count 4. So your choice, but here we just take those 4 walks to slowly turn a quarter turn to the new wall, the 9 o'clock wall over our left shoulder. So let's try it from the slide, heel split. Walk, walk, rock, and grapevine, and walk, 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 walk. Okay, ready? Starting with the slides. Slide, heel split, walk, walk, rock, syncopation. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and walk, 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 walk. Or you can do walk, 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 turn. Okay, so let's put the whole thing together with words and then we'll do it with counts. So we wait, our introduction, 4/8. Then we start with the heels. So heel and heel and heel and heel and low, low, up, up, heel split, slide, heel split, slide, heel split, back, back, rock. Syncopated, 1 and 2 and 4 and walk, walk, walk. Start again, heel and heel. So let's do this wall. Okay? So we'll start with our right foot and we'll do the heels. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and low, low, up, up, split, slide, split, slide, split, back to rock and syncopated and grapevine and turn, turn, turn. Start again. What? Okay, let's do this wall. Start with our heels. Heel and heel and heel and heel and low, low, up, up, split it, slide, split it, slide, split it, back, 1, 2, rock, and grapevine syncopated, and turn, 2, 3, 4. Good, good. So one more time, this wall, and we'll do it with counts, and then we'll try it with the music. It's just remember it's fast. So your steps don't need to be really big. They can be little, and that way you can get everything in. So we'll start with our heels facing the 9 o'clock wall. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's only 24 counts. Just the first part is fast and it has a low and then a, you go low and then come up. So let's try this wall and then we'll try with the music. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8 heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good? And remember, on YouTube you can stop, restart, play it over and over and over, and keep listening to the music. It goes really well with the music. So should we try it? I want to start. Here we go. Ready? Heel, 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 heel. Step, step. Slide, slide. Back, back, rock. Grapevine, grapevine. Turn. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide, slide. Back, rock. Syncopated. Fun, huh? 1. Low. Slide, slide. Back, back, rock. Grapevine, grapevine. Turn. Ready, start. Slide, slide. Back. Grapevine. Turn. One more time. Heel, 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 heel. Down, up. Split it. Split it. Back, back, rock. Heels. Low, up. Slide, slide. Back, back, rock. Syncopated. Turn it. Heel and heel and heel and heel and low. Knees. Slide, slide. Back, back, rock. Grapevine, grapevine. Turn. Heel and heel and heel and heel. Low, up. Split it. Split it. Back it. Grapevine it. Turn it. Good. That'll get your heart going. So ride on, ride out.